Hi guys, Kelvin here. Welcome back to another audio headphone review, this time featuring the Supsoo B131 Premium Active Noise Cancellation headphones. This is a newcomer in this space with its tried and tested design that you find on premium brands, yet at the same time featuring long battery life. And this is priced so competitively, so it entices you to jump over to Supsoo in the event you may not afford the premium brands. It is priced just under 240 USD, making it very enticing. Now, links to purchase can be found in the video description, but let's jump into the main review so I can explain in detail. There's a cream color version, while mine has the main black body, brown PU leathers, as well as the bronze plastic finish right here and right here for that accentuating the premium accent. Now, on the left ear cup itself right here, you have the power button, the mic mute button, and the headphone 3.5mm port right here. Looking at the right side right here, here is your dedicated ANC button, which works independently from the other headphones, meaning you don't need to power the headphones to use the ANC, a feature that is coming rare on ANC headphones and going into 22 onwards. There's also the volume rocker as well as the Type-C charging port right here. Now, the ear cups have a two-way swivel mechanism going this way as well as this way. Now, aside from that, there's also this inward folding mechanism. So if you're not using the included travel pouch, this is a compact way to keep your headphones and put it into your backpack that does not take much space. So I am very thankful that they included this folding mechanism. Even the new Sony headphones are unable to do so. Now, aside from that, if we look at the ear cups in detail right here, it has a depth of 2 cm, an opening of 6 cm by 4.5 cm with a thickness of 1.5 cm. I wish the ear cups are thicker. Now, the headphone bands right here are well padded, reinforced with metal bands on each side with indicator markings right here so you can remember which particular settings you are comfortable with. The headphone weighs 285 grams. The package comes included with these right here, the Type-C charging cable, which is long. I prefer it long anyway versus short versions. The braided 3.5mm headphone jacks. This is 3-pole type. The manual and as well as the PU leather hard carrying pouch. So this is how you store your headphones. You have to put it in flat profile like so. Takes a little bit of effort to put them in position. It looks like so. But if you're not traveling with this hard pouch because of its size, you can always fold it up like this and put it into your backpack. I think this is rather convenient. When it comes to noise cancellation, Supsoo did not provide any rated range of noise cancellation, but just from hearing it and comparing with other headphones in quiet environment, urban environment, noisy malls, and just basically cafes, I would say the range is between 30 decibels to 35 decibels. Not that bad. It's not up to current standards, but looking at the price point, it's definitely right there. Now, when it comes to low frequency like urban environment, road traffic, air condition, it's eliminated well and fully. You barely or can't even hear them well. When it comes to high frequency noises such as high pitched electrical, birds chirping, airplanes where the kids are crying often, it softens well. You do still hear them at the background, just at a lower audible level. It's not eliminated fully, but it does the job well. So you won't get stressed by all those noises. Now, you won't face any ear fatigue from the ANC as there's no eardrum pressure felt. So a good plus point right there. The headphone uses Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity with multi-point device pairing at the same time. This will be a Bluetooth lag test using just a pen. What I'm going to do is double click it upon firing backwards. That would be how much the lag will be presented in this Bluetooth device. And if you're not sure whether there's some lag, no worries, I'll leave some words on the bottom of this video to tell you how much lag there is. So let's start the test. On to microphone test. Currently, what you're listening to is my typical YouTube setup. I'll be using the Moment app on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, recording at the highest possible quality, so nothing is left out. So let's jump onto the microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Pink fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbow. She sells seashells on the seashore. This is how I sound like using the microphone on the headphones right here. I'll leave some words on the below of this video to let you know what is my personal take, but you can also comment below what do you think about the headphones right now. Let's jump back into the main review. When it comes to charging the headphones, it takes around 2 hours to charge from empty to full. It has a rated playback of 60 hours with ANC on or 80 hours with ANC off at 60% volume. We have tested this on the iPhone 13 Pro Max at the 5th volume bar. We got a total of 61 hours and 25 minutes with ANC on and 78 hours and 30 minutes with ANC off. On to audio benchmark. It uses a 40mm dynamic driver. Our test is based on the iPhone 13 Pro Max around the 7th volume mark with ANC turned on. The bass packs great amount of power with a long smooth drag to it. The vibrations is pure eargasm. When it comes to the vocals or the mid, it do sound clear with some warm tones to it. The bass and the low frequency does overpower the vocals and the mid audible level wise. When it comes to the instrumentals or the highs, it has a mixture of that sharp and warm sounding tone. Kind of balanced in my opinion. This is somewhat balanced as well when it comes to audible level with the bass or low frequency. So let me give you a summary how the headphone performs. Usually headphones in the market have a typical U shape. It's relaxed, it's more natural sounding, give you the warm and the crisp at the highs. But for some reason and a rare occurrence, this headphone is more of a V shape, where its performance actually lies on the lows and highs being very good. The mids need a little bit of improvement right there, but I think a bit of EQ tuning would do justice to it. So these headphones right here perform well from the ultra low bass frequency up to the upper mids. Not too shabby for the price point and a newcomer in this premium ANC space. Now this is suitable for your streaming content like YouTube, Netflix, your Hotstar, Disney, your Star Wars content, your pop, EDM, and if you're into J-pop, surprisingly it performs really well. So all genres of streaming content and music would do fine. Now, in terms of battery performance, it's not too bad. It's really good in my opinion. But what makes me happy is the plug and play approach. There's no software and it's a very rare to get that you have a dedicated ANC that you can toggle on and off, without powering on the headphones like those premium brands. So you indirectly don't waste too much juice by owning the Bluetooth while only using the ANC. So not too bad. So at a price point of $240 USD, under it, is it recommended? I say give it a shot if you are a person who is spicy in life, who is a rebellion in life, who wants to try something new without giving those tier 1 brands that opportunity to suck your money dry. I would give this my recommendation. So you guys can find in the video description where to purchase them, but let me know in the comments what headphones do you think I should review next in terms of ANC headphones, and where are you guys from? I want to know my viewers, where are they from? Till then, I'll see you guys in the next audio review. Ta-da!